Hi there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chicken shawarma. This can also be made gluten-free as well. You would just need a gluten-free pita bread to serve it on instead of the traditional just regular pita bread. So the first thing you will need are your ingredients. You're going to need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and then a teaspoon of salt, ground cumin, and paprika. You'll need these seasonings along with the following. You'll also need a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of turmeric, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and cloves, 1/8 a teaspoon of chili powder, then whatever you would like to serve it with. So this can be a flatbread, a gluten-free pita bread, onion, red bell peppers, up to you on how you want to serve it. So the first thing we're going to do is add our chicken, which has been cut into strips here, into a large mixing bowl along with olive oil and lemon juice. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that up just to coat it. Now that it's mixed, we're going to add in our sour cream and mix this up well so that all the pieces are going to be coated with sour cream. Once we have that done, we'll go ahead and combine our seasonings. So now in a small bowl, you're going to combine your salt, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, black pepper, turmeric, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and chili powder. Mix that all up, and then we're going to go ahead and put that right over the chicken that has already been covered with the sour cream. And we're going to mix this together and let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So once that is done chilling in the fridge, you can go ahead and grab your air fryer. And we're going to go ahead and preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's heated, air fry that for 5 minutes, flip it, and cook an additional 4 to 6 minutes. The chicken needs to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be considered done. Once that's done, you can go ahead and serve it over your salad, your flatbread, your gluten-free pita bread. You can use your favorite sauce as well to serve that with. And this is how you make air fryer chicken shawarma. This is really easy to make, takes about 20 minutes or so of cook time after the initial chill time in the fridge. You can also prep it in advance and let it chill overnight if needed. Find this full recipe over on airfryerfanatics.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today.